Right, ebusian 4. The first thing is 63 MPs, members of parliament, current members of parliament, have actually declared support for Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. 63 MPs of MPP MPs. Now, Uko Parliament is saying the number of MPs, MPP MPs, no, 87. 87, the mighty 87. Now, 87, nemono, Nipa Baku 63. Alex Edujemfi says that the voice, you are doing a great job. It is possible. Thank you, Alex. Thank you so much. Now, out of 87 MPs, no, Baku 63. Now, 63, no, we free 87, Mark, I say. Mumasi ya mami hu, wa mumasi no mami hu. Uyi 63, ewo 87 Mark, I say. I got 24. And yes, I got 24. And what it means, ni say, Brian a champion. Honorable Kennedy Ohini Japan. Educhum. And then who else? And Kwabna Japan. Omudi Nkrofo mo MPs currently all my endorse your money na account crampoa. And through half of the MPs they have actually openly supported Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Yes, 63 no. Now a clear signal where the parliament wanted to send a clear signal to the party. Now SAT 24 ni mukrano nkrofo bi wo ho a per the new arrangement no omuntimi declare support ma obia. Obi ti say apenyo marken our leader of the minority. Waka say ontimi declare the support because minority leader on per se after election now obi akofa assembly won na kumemu say na minority leader no parliament he was not on declare Bawumia and all those enti apenyo marken has abstained. I'm sure Madam Patricia Piaget also has abstained. And yes sir, and some of the leadership and ube kana akabe 20 pe for 4 candidates to share. Nanipa Bakunya 63 Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. It is not by accident. Obianem say MPP there our work for 2028 is cut out. Yes, so ejumani for 2028 ejumani siewi aka 9 pe. Na ye ko haye hu e ko fa obi fufura be ye den. Adia ya present you obi. Ya present you obi o. Na nipa no with all the difficulties. Say see the na nye you, say you all the difficulties no. Nipa baku 4 million. And omuko ye omuko sa line e ko to abanuma no. Ebra na yesi 2022 na anko ye o. Ebra na 11 wo ho. Nipa 4 million still saw the say when na yepe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and omuko ko to abama no. And omuma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 41%. Now we are NDC for babe say o mine there. Why do you go and bring a new person? There be I can't 9 pen one say we vote for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and we send Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to contest against a new candidate. NDC di beba. Nabusian 4. Let me give you a breaking news. I'm going to shock all of you tonight with a major breaking news. And this one, remember, say, you heard it from me first. It's here. Now, Munem Nipa NDC representing 2028. Munem Nipa no. Guess. I want 4 people to guess. Who do you think NDC is going to present in 2028 to match with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? If you guess, the person who guesses right, Nipa free photo shoot. The person, because I've had a conversation, a serious secret conversation. Until what about getting it right now? What about getting it right? Free photo shoot for you. Someone is saying, Dr. Kwata says, Asiedun Ketia. The elephant daughter says, Asiedun Ketia. Nanasa says that Julius Debra. Bala says, nobody. AC July says, Julius Debra. You are not wrong, go. You are all not wrong. But Ukraine say, now when you speak, there is Godfather Rush is the chief of staff. Okay. Now when you speak, NDC. Okay, so let me give this one first. We say NDC for the Okokasa. Now Makofa soldiers ni police for the Tatao. And the conversation with the Ukraine mate but a market human minubi na mukasa. And I maybe chairman and me TB. And I share with you. NDC have gone for a meeting and they have realized that Wani blesses at the vice president. You all are not wrong, but let me shock you. NDC have gone for a meeting, according to what I heard, and they have realized that debut. Say they are saying Ketiaba, but we be winning one time. Yedi Julius Zebra ba, but we be winning one time. Yedi Nana Jeno Pokwa Jimamba, but we be winning one time. Because NDC have realized that no matter what is going to happen, no, Baumia is going to win the election, flagbearer or MPP. And you Martina say, and to say one and Yedi Nbeba, a little contest to Mahmudu Baumia. And guess the name that came up. Guess the name that came up. When I be say, when you bless it, Haruna Idris, you are all not wrong. But when I mention the name, you'll be shocked. And you see, because of this change of plan, or therefore say because of this change of plan, we are banned, you know. That is why NDC is doing everything possible for MPP to send somebody other than Dr. Baumia. Because NIPA, frankly speaking to you, when I mention the name, you understand. NIPA, NDC, now they are planned, Shaka say Akando, they have planned to bring, no, NIPA no, or carry weight kakra. And this is who say, if we are able, Kumasi Queen says, you black one. And this is who say, if we are able to deceive MPP to bring another person aside Dr. Mahamudu Baumia, say this Nipa ba, ya share ya MPP bet in opposition for 8 years. Yeah. And do you know the name? Professor. Please, I've given you a tip-off. Nipa nu ye professor. Who will get it right? Nipa nu or ye professor. That is who NDC want to bring. Shaka is right. The person NDC want to bring is Joshua Alabi, Professor Joshua Alabi. Yeah, you heard it from me first. Munkayo said the voice of MPP told you first. Say, NDC is going to present Joshua Alabi. So I'm telling you, delegates of MPP, if you make a mistake, Dr. Kwata, did you write Joshua Alabi? I didn't see you type Joshua Alabi. Let me share. Dr. Kwata said he mentioned it first. Let me see. No, I didn't see. No, Dr. Kwata, he said I said don't get here. Van Dem says that a friend told me. Good. Yes. That is what NDC have decided. Or when we say chat no at we if you bring anybody, maybe winning. So they are playing 2 games. Oh, Dr. Kwata, you are lying to me. You didn't write anything. Yeah. So they are playing 2 games. Anchor has a culture for DMB. That is it. And the NDC for they want to bring Professor Joshua Alabi in 2028. And there is groundwork already ongoing. Serious groundwork. So they want to tilt the election into their favor. So how do they tilt the election to their favor? Is by getting MPP say, oh, Baumia nye, musisemu, pe. They will hit you with the blow. Joshua Alabi. After MPP will have wished, say, we go for another Congress. Because Ghanaians already know Baumia. That is what our MPs are telling you by 63 of them going out to endorse Baumia. They are telling you, say, ye Korean constituencies moi. Ye na ye MPs no. Our people are telling us, Omupe Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Baumia. 63 out of 87 is not for anything. It's because I can't 9 pe. Now, do you think, say, Honor Kennedy Japan can match up with Professor Joshua Alabi? Do you think, say, Dr. Educhum can match up with Professor Joshua Alabi? It will be very difficult. And Shekra second round more. And the only person that can win Joshua Alabi at once, one touch, Alhaji Dr. Mahmudu Baumia. Because Joshua Alabi, he has only been a VC, Vice Chancellor. But Ghanaians have seen Dr. Mahmudu Baumia as a vice president. In fact, till Eneno, the most effective, the most present vice president, ewa ye history munu, Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. I tell you, if Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia were to be in NDC, anka omuma obian contestino, ewa flagbearer position. Mi Canada. Say anka Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, anka oye NDC niya. The way he is, his achievement, his record, his persona. Anka NDC for omu pinima obian contestino. But say MPP mudie. You know, when you have too many good people or too many brilliant people sometimes it brings some of these things. But it's good. GhanaNsem say, last time I share a video, they were asking some students in JHS and even primary, say, who is the current vice president of the Republic of Ghana? Most of them were saying Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Yes, in the mind of children, still Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia is still vice president. In their minds. It tells you the record. And some of these young ones, some of the people that they are still asking, because they cannot see that General Opoku is effective, they are still mentioning the name of Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Some of these people will be 18 by 2028. So they are coming to vote massively for Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Say, you before for a you be confused. Now they will have a decision to make. I can't pay. Unless the reliable, blameless, intelligent, wise, patriotic leader in NPP now is Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Let's all support Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Everybody is qualified to be president, but the most nipa or the victory be one touch victory. And after a campaign, we try to remind people of the name of the candidate and debi. We have to get the things done easily. And the easy way, the shortest way, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia.
I love the way Mr. Fankasa Wawo MPP and sensible ones, of course, are the ones replying. Oba maybe Oboshie BBF. I mean, when I exert a lot of energy on such a nikumpu, idiot looking foolish girl.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Inti mama mbesi afuna kasa
say kwat is be go no be
wa ye dwuma na ama at least na don kono obohu de mbesi afan kasa na they are putting her on the chopping board. These are well respected, more learned, more beautiful and more dignified women, and they are putting her on the chopping board so that her best game now, or you play to play victim, it will not catch fire. But my advice be madam, one, was it don't play the victim to circumstances you created. Nana don't cause I could school with that. Another don't play the victim to circumstances you created. Then another one, playing the victim might get you the attention, but it will never bring you healing. Nana don't go. Na me moya me yo ide. Ye wo mfantefu atetekwa fubi atetekwa. Waka obi oya atetekwa. Backward looking, barbaric, dirty, innocent fools in the fancy tribe. And one na they be a okotwi kasa dam what the brafantefo. Nana don't go you grow of you. If you of him, when we want to talk of abject poverty, looking at her background might speak about a lot of things about that lady. Looking at her background, it might give you an idea where she is coming from. Obi etumaka tanabuchi for over a decade. Wabraboni. Mba nkakama anan anyankopon demo on pontumi nhwe ho with all the resources. Warankasa besia no nipa kor. Wan hunyi zikake your environment and you wankasa to sanitize your body to appeal to the public. On a problem. So this lady will look beyond the abject poverty from her household, from her own community, na mom no ohia no wababa ye
okay madam
na waba na yibia nyankopon ma onyansa kekre bi omo onyimti kekre bia na donko oba bi tide Samira Baumia ono na abrabo no ohia wo abrabo emu na besi onna mo we se no kunu panyini gya nti nyem do benya benyini foforo mo ababa je
ye kura ya bo me no ekura benya mema fo
besi obi wa ko school wa ko Simon Fraser enyimdifo wa pe ni sika wa pe enyimdi odi abaware no mfantifo besi wa ye no matema ono na asem na oho wo abrabo emu momo ye yo oye yew dan cheyi yi da masemi na nchesabi mfantifo enyimdifo na nche da masemi yonfim mba ne boku mfantifo na wore yiwo na sabi oya sefim oguen n'enyim ase wanyim pam no won na de bia wokotwema nso ade bran na me mba sha na ahoroba afutu na mede man as a fancy brother oya won man fancy din n'enyim ntewo kakra ai oya won ma na la wa address mpo baka de besi a wa da soro on huhuru n'enyim na wa address mpo no baka de order soro on huhuru n'enyim onya oyew edi nam nyimpam wonwu adenti mfarade enyimnyamfo asam na reba abaka na kwatwema so da bro now because of all of this the way awomba they have become the limelight of the public because of your foolishness na abrante na oware no sabi ye no so ye wo bibi ka kire sabi benyin wa hoden onye wutum a de control wo yire wo fie dedejo ye dedejo di ai na nye dedejo onye benyin betine fie mmebesi aba no ho na ma ye kutu de abanyasi oboka kepis kono da abosho no de wanyim nya botwitwufo dedejo ye menyine di obaya wo yire no kanyansa samfa kire no ntwenu hu mfi da ma ade no mu dedejo nya wankotinye benyin asabi besi abafo wo kanya ho na ye menyine di na mu guye nyim asededo akosi amadasi
akosi medase amanfo mu ye nintentem na me bepon life kura me my regret is my starting because you see obiaji Marcus kura tufo Marcus is talking it is not normal I don't know one echo bedi aku
Owusu na kasa
debi na bedi aku kasa mama bedi aku kasa na
bedi aku kasa wi me chama o kasa
eh chama ni akua kasa besi abagro
ekua kwa me kasa wo be end life no wuntimi kasa wo be end life wuntimi ka wunya ready anko ame so me pesa ma hwehwa wa
enti na ma corporate no tie tie mi do
Miss Roxy one am